All right, we're at another gorgeous luxury property here in Bixby. This one's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, a 3-car garage, which you can't see it. So there's a garage right there too, and then your third one is right there. And 3,451 square feet, offered at only $769,000. You're on a cul-de-sac lot, which is really nice. Let's head on in and check it out. I love the sconces on this one too. I said that in a previous video, but look at them. I think they match the house really well because they go with the windows perfectly. Love the double glass door. Let's head on inside. So you have a really nice foyer right here. Love the light fixture. Living room. This one's also stacked stone all the way to the top. Love the built-ins. We got Josh's snow cones here today at Brian's listing. I'm not going to go outside on this one because it's just really hot, but I love the really tall, kind of almost barn look. And then you got a fireplace out there. Huge quartz counter island. Look at this. It's a thick one. Josh's snow cones in the house. What? It's like a Tulsa or really Oklahoma staple. If you've never had one, you're missing out. Love the kitchen. You got a gas range. Huge fridge over there. And let's go this way into the master. Love the beam accents. Huge picture window. I like the accent wall. Very pretty. This home's still kind of partially under construction, so some of this isn't quite finished. But you've got double doors here. Obviously, you can see some nicks on this wall. It needs to be touched up still. And of course, the tub isn't here yet either, but it's going to be a nice soaker tub. You've got these gorgeous vanities. Of course, 2 of them. Massive shower in here. Very nice, very nice. It's tiled all the way around, all the way to the ceiling. Take note of these like bubble glass. Really neat. And then there's Mom. What's up? What do you think of this closet? What do you think of this closet?
Huge, absolutely.
Pretty fabulous,
huge.
Right?
Yeah, very nice, spacious.
Love it. Goes right on into your utility room. You have a sink in here, which is great. Again, this house is also utilizing the kind of, it's not brass, I'm saying that wrong. Nickel? Are they nickel fixtures? Anyway, it's definitely starting to be trendy. You do have a space for, this would be an extra refrigerator. Yeah, your extra refrigerator will be here, and then your utility hookups for your washer and dryer are right here. So that's kind of fun to have an extra. I personally would have a freezer in here just for those big parties, to have that extra space there. Back over here, you have a mudroom right here. And then through there is the kitchen where we were. And then out here is the 2-car garage. Obviously, there's some construction materials in here. And then let's head upstairs. I do like these little fixtures. All right. So up here, we'll go this way first. You've got a game room right here, but it could be a bedroom if you needed it to be. Add in an armoire. Technically, it doesn't have a closet, so it can't officially be a bedroom, but you could add one really easy. You can see here they got paint, a lot of paint touch-ups that need to be done still. Here is another bedroom. Good sized closet. This one is connected to a Pullman bath. I think this is another, it is another leather granite finish. I love that. Leather finish on granite, I should say. Gorgeous, huge tiles. You have a little shelf there, which is a nice feature in the bathtub. Here's the other vanity, which connects us to this other bedroom. And we'll head around this way, show you the closet. Good sized closet for just a bedroom. I believe that wraps it up for up here. Then here's your attic storage walkout. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is like a shopaholic's worst nightmare. The amount of stuff you could stash up here, limitless. I mean, look how tall you can like really stack it. And that about wraps it up for this house. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite part? Love to know. Gotta get off to the next home before I run out of time today. But don't forget, like and subscribe for more real estate tips, living in Tulsa content, of course, home tours like this. I'll put all of the photos and stuff in the description and a link, and I'll see you guys in the next video. One last thing in the kitchen on this house. There is even more cabinet space over here, and then you have this fabulous pantry with the microwave in the pantry, which kind of a new thing that I've been seeing a lot. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. But that's it. I'm done for this video.